How to publish your Base 44 app to host Stinger step by step. Step 1. Export your Base 44 app from the platform. Make sure that all assets and configurations are included in your build folder. Step 2. Go to Host Stinger's control panel and log in. Head over your hosting plans dashboard and locate the file manager. Step 3. Inside the file manager, upload your Base 44 apps file into the public underscore HTML directory. If your app requires backend setup, configure the server environment accordingly. Step 4. Point your domain to your hosting or server by updating DNS settings. This will make your app accessible to your chosen domain. Step 5. Open your site in a browser to confirm everything works as expected. Troubleshoot any missing assets or config errors. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.